Hi everyone, welcome back. My name is Danielle, also known as Miss Happy Housewife, and today we're going to be working on that curio cabinet, and if we have time, we're also going to work on the coat closet as well, because we are in zone 1, which is the entryway, the dining room, and your porches. I am exhausted today, so hopefully we can get this done rather quickly. So I'm going to go ahead and bring over the box of the stuff that I need for my curio cabinet, and we'll get started. All right, so I have the box over. Now, what you're going to be doing during this time is we're going to take this in a few steps. For you, you're going to want to pick things up and dust under them and around them. It might even make more sense just to go and take all the things out, and that way you can clean whatever glass you have. I'm going to be cleaning the glass in my curio cabinet, and then I'm going to start to put everything back in. So let's go for it. I don't know about you, but my rag here is disgusting. So, ew, yeah. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and put the shelves back in, and then I'm gonna start to unpack this box. So what I did is I just put everything on the table, and as you can see, it's a lot. So thankfully, before I packed everything, I wiped it all down. So that way there's no dust, nothing's really dirty. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and take all this and start to put it inside the curio cabinet. So this is what she looks like here without the lights on. And let's go turn on the lights. And that's what it looks like with the lights on. Now, granted, it's still pretty dark, but I'm gonna go ahead and turn off the lights and let's see. And I'll take you through a little tour of it. I don't know why it's so dark down here, but I will somehow fix that. So let me open this and I'll take you kind of through what I got going on here. So I have this set here that was given to us, I believe, by my mother as a wedding gift. And you're gonna see a lot of wedding stuff in here because I didn't know what to do inside of a curio cabinet. So that right there is where all the petals were being tossed at the wedding. These were on the tables. I love this. So this is supposed to be like a wax melt or like a essential oil that gets heated, but I just thought it was really pretty. I wore this in my hair. This lights up. Coffee and creamer is part of the set. This is my bouquet that I actually walked down the aisle with. It is silk because I have really bad allergies, so I think this was worn on the flower girl's wrist, maybe? Yeah, on her wrist. Let me go ahead and turn off that light. I know it's loud, sorry. So I love Fabergé eggs. I like eggs with things in them. And this one opens too, but there's nothing in it. Okay, so that was a cake topper that we had on the cake. And this was a candle that held these fake rings on them. So I thought it was just kind of cute to keep it there with the rings. I just thought that was pretty, honestly. And I think my husband Shane actually got that for me. This was, I believe, my great-grandmother's. So this is the platter that came with it. You'll see that I somehow have been able to go and keep these this crystal nativity scene alive. I am very shocked. And this right here is one of the first things that my husband gave me, and it came with a rose and a balloon. So that is my curio cabinet. So I do have a coat closet that I'm going to straighten. I think I can actually set a timer for it. I'll probably do that off camera, but because I spent a lot of time on this curio cabinet and I don't want to keep you guys. So take about 15 minutes and straighten your coat closet. If you're like me, you have a whole box of coats that need to go in the closet. So I want to thank you so much for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.